Want to dance better? Watch this. Tip number 1. Warm up before you dance. Don't skip your warm-up. It prepares your muscles, protects your joints, and helps you avoid injury. Just 5 minutes can make your dancing smoother and safer. Tip number 2. Always engage your core. Your core is your power center. Whether you are turning or balancing, a strong core gives you control, stability, and better posture. Tip number 3. Record yourself dancing. Video is a powerful tool. It helps you to catch mistakes, see your growth, and perfect your technique. Use it like a mirror that tells the truth. Tip number 4. Learn slowly before speeding up. Start slow, focus on precision and body awareness. Once the move is clear and clean, you can add speed and style without losing technique. Tip number 5. Focus on clean lines. Strong, clean lines make your dancing look professional. Extend through your limbs, keep your posture sharp, and finish every movement with intent. Tip number 6. Film from different angles. Try recording from the side, front, and even overhead. You will catch things that you never notice in the mirror, like posture, alignment, and energy. Tip number 7. Stretch after every session. Cool down with stretching to prevent soreness and keep your flexibility. It helps your body recover and prepares you for the next session. 8. Use your face, not just your body. Great dancers don't just move, they express. Use your face to show emotion and connect with your audience. That's what makes it art. Tip number 9. Dance with different music. Try dancing to various genres: jazz, hip-hop, classical. It challenges your timing and musicality and helps you find new movement ideas. Tip number 10. Don't just mimic, understand. Learning choreography isn't copying. Understand how each move connects. When you know why it works, you will dance with more purpose. Tip number 11. Work on your posture. Great posture changes everything. Head tall, shoulders back, spine lifted. It instantly improves your look and makes movement easier. 12. Footwork matters. Don't ignore your feet. Clean, intentional footwork shows skill and adds polish to your dancing. It's the foundation of every step. Tip number 13. Dance in front of people. Performing, even for one friend, builds confidence. Get used to eyes on you. It helps you grow and learn to stay present under pressure. 14. Rehearse like it's the real thing. Practice the way you want to perform. Full energy, full intention. That's how you build muscle memory and stage confidence. Tip number 15. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your body and brain working. If you are tired, dizzy, or slow, drink up. Hydration is essential for dancers. 16. Sleep is part of training. Sleep isn't lazy. It's part of the process. Your body and brain recover and remember movements better after a good night's rest. 17. Be kind to yourself. Not every day will feel amazing, and that's okay. Progress isn't linear. Celebrate small wins and stay patient with yourself. 18. Try different dance. Every style teaches you something new. Ballet gives you control. Hip-hop adds groove. Salsa brings rhythm. Mix it up to grow faster. 19. Wear the right shoes. Footwear matters. The wrong shoes can hurt your knees or ruin your technique. Always use the right gear for your style. 20. Consistency beats perfection. Dancing 10 minutes every day builds more skill than dancing once a week for an hour. Small, regular effort makes the biggest difference.